You need to find last digit of this huge number 22 raised to the power 33, 44, 55. Many students leave this even without attempting, but you didn't do that. Solve this using two simple steps you already know. First thing, to find last digit, you only need to focus on the last digit of the base. Here it is 2. If we look at powers of 2, 2 raised to the power 1 ends in 2, 2 square ends in 4, 2 cube ends in 8, 2 raised to the power 4 ends in 6. Similarly, for 2 raised to the power 5, 6, 7 and 8, they all end in same digit after a gap of 4 numbers. That means all you need to find is the remainder of this number 33 raised to the power 44 raised to the power 55 when divided by 4. If the remainder is 1, last digit will be 2. If the remainder is 2, last digit will be 4. If the remainder is 3, last digit will be 8. And finally, if the remainder is 0, last digit would be 6. In the second step, let's look at the remainder of this number when divided by 4. For simplification, let's take 44 raised to the power 55 as n and write 33 as 32 plus 1. Expand this expression using binomial theorem. You get this expression, and let's see what happens when you divide it by 4. We know that 32 is a multiple of 4. That means all the terms with 32 will leave the remainder 0. Only one term remains, which is 1 raised to the power n, and 1 divided by 4 will leave the remainder 1. We have already established 2 raised to the power 1 will end in 2, and that is exactly what you need. I hope you understood why this was not that difficult.